John Dark are pleased to offer for sale this lovely example of a Ford Focus 1.5 Ecoboost Titanium X. This car comes complete with alloy wheels, as you can see, totally unmarked. And as we move down the side of the vehicle, you can see the metallic red paint. Over to the rear, where the rear parking sensors, as you can see. Then moving up to the boot, where you can see the 60-40 split seating. The split such folding seats. Back round, rear parking sensors, round to the rear alloy. And a view down the side of the vehicle. As we come back round to the front, front fog lights and front parking sensors. Moving into the vehicle, and you see the automatic gearbox there. Air conditioning, heated seats. Moving up the control panel to the built-in screen, you see the radio, information centre and phone that you can connect to. Climate gives you a screen to flow the air to the feet or to the screen. USB point down near the gearbox, 12-volt point next to the gear handle. This car comes complete with full black leather. As you can see, it looks like it hasn't ever been sat on, in excellent condition. Steering wheel control for the phone, and then the cruise control, as you can see. This vehicle is only covered 5,376 miles. Comes with a 6-speed automatic gearbox in its pristine condition. Should you require any more information, please give us a call on Louth 01507 603 451. Thank you.